What's up, everybody? Bluegabe. I've got a good one for you guys today, and no, it's probably not what you're going to expect. It's not hunting, it's not fishing, it's not even cooking, but it is equally important. I get the opportunity, the special opportunity, to do a Helix mattress review. And that really means a lot to me because Helix Sleep makes the best mattresses ever made, and they also work with some of the biggest names in the industry. So for the fact that they chose me to do this review on my favorite mattress, literally the best mattress in my opinion ever made, hey, you know, I've sort of made it. At least to myself, I feel I've made it. So now with no further ado, let's dive on into this review of my Helix Midnight Luxe. And yes, it's a little crowded in here, but this camper is made for a queen, and this is a queen Helix Midnight Luxe. Literally the best mattress ever made. Just had to get up and take my glasses off, so you know we're looking each other eye to eye. And I had to turn the AC on because it's super hot in here. I just got here, it's 100 degrees outside. So let me go ahead and dive into this review. At first glance, when I first saw this mattress, I actually said to myself, that looks like the best mattress ever made. And it does. It's a very sharp looking mattress. Well, let's be honest, nobody's buying a mattress because it looks good. Now this mattress, wait, let me take that back. Women actually do buy mattresses because they look good. Men, they want a mattress just because it feels good and it's comfortable. And I'm telling you, this Helix Midnight Luxe is the best mattress I have ever slept on in my life. I like it so much that I actually own 4. Yeah, 4. I have 4 of these Helix Midnight Luxe. I have one at each hunting camp, one at a buddy of mine's house in a room that I stay in, and one at my house, my own house, the bed I sleep on every night when I'm not traveling. And thankfully, when I am traveling, a lot of times I'm either here or in Georgia, I get to sleep on one. But sometimes I do have to sleep on hotel mattress. They're just not, they're nothing like this Helix Midnight Luxe. Now, one of the best features in my opinion about this Helix Midnight Luxe is it has a low motion transfer. Now that's important because me, I drink caffeine all day long. Sometimes it takes me a little while to fall asleep. Where Crystal, she falls asleep is second her head hits the pillow, she's out. And if this mattress didn't have that, when I'm tossing and turning and rolling around, not because I'm uncomfortable, literally this is the best mattress ever made in my opinion. When I lay in it, I am as comfortable as you could possibly be, but I do have a lot of caffeine running through my veins, so it takes me a little while. Because it has low motion transfer, I don't wake Crystal up and she gets a good night's sleep all night long. Wait, let me take that back. She does get a good night's sleep when she's in this mattress, but we have baby Bo now, and he's 8 months old and he wakes up every now and then. So she does have to get up. So when she is in this mattress sleeping, I want her to be able to sleep as good as she possibly can. So low motion transfer, very big win for us. Now, before I continue with telling you all the awesome things that I love about this Helix Midnight Luxe, I want to know a little bit about you guys. When you're out shopping for a mattress, what exactly is it that you're looking for? How long have you had your own mattress, and are you due for a new one? Leave a comment below. I could literally take a nap right now. Unfortunately, ain't nobody got time for that. We're right in the middle of a review. Now, when it comes to cooling, some of you, if you're like me, you sleep real hot at night. When you lay on this mattress, it just simply feels cool to the touch, which makes me sleep so much better. And that's another reason you keep hearing me say, in my opinion, this is the best mattress ever made. Now, thankfully, the AC just kicked off. It's nice and cool in here, and I can tell you a little bit more about this Helix Midnight Luxe without the AC running in the background. Now, the Midnight Luxe is actually a medium firm, which is perfect for side sleepers, which is exactly how I sleep. I keep about dozing off. Every time I lay down, I could just close my eyes and go to sleep. But like I said earlier, ain't nobody got time for that right now. Now, some of the other awesome features of this Helix Midnight Luxe is it has a 13.5-inch luxury design, has reinforced edges so you don't have to worry about sinkage. This mattress actually has 35% less sinkage than its competitors. Nobody wants to lay in a mattress and just sink like into the abyss. This mattress is firm, it's comfortable, it feels really cool to the touch. It is a win-win all day long. Well, all night long, if you know what I mean. Now, some of the other awesome features that I love about the Helix Midnight Luxe, they all come with a 120-night sleep trial test. They all have a lifetime warranty. They're all fiberglass free. Like, you cannot go wrong. And when it comes to price points, there are more expensive mattresses and there's a lot cheaper mattresses. To me, Helix hits that perfect price point. They're right in the middle. they're affordable, and when you order one, they will conveniently ship it straight to your doorstep so you don't have to go get it. Like, I can remember the days, I'm actually old enough, believe it or not, when we used to have to go get a mattress and strap it to the roof of the truck and pray it made it home. You don't have to do that when you order a Helix Midnight Lux. And to order one, it's super easy. You can go to helixsleep.com/Bluegabe, take their online sleep quiz, which only takes a few minutes, put in a little bit of your personal information, and they will fit you with a mattress that best fits your needs. And fortunately for me, they fit me with 4 different Helix Midnight Luxes. I absolutely love this mattress. Again, one more time I will say it. In my opinion, this is the best mattress that's ever been made. I love it. It makes my life just that much better. I sleep way, way, way better. My back doesn't hurt anymore. I used to deal with chronic back pain, and ever since I got this mattress 3 years ago, well, not this one. I got the one at home 3 years ago. I actually got this one a couple months ago. I don't have any more chronic back pain. And when we're here at hunting camp, lifting heavy bags of corn, doing lots of work, to be able to come home and get in a mattress like this and be able to get a good night's sleep is worth its weight in gold. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. I got to give a huge shout out to Helix Sleep for sponsoring this video and for being my longest running sponsor ever. I've been with Helix Sleep for now 4 years. For those of y'all that follow along, you've seen me probably do 100 ads for Helix now. And I'm not just doing it for money. I'm doing it because I absolutely love their product. I've slept on other mattresses. I've saw the other commercials for other mattress companies. They just cannot hold up to Helix Sleep. They don't offer the warranties. They don't offer the quality. In my opinion, there is only one mattress brand, and that's Helix Sleep. This Helix Midnight Lux has changed my life for the better. I'll never sleep on anything different unless I have to. I know at my house, at my hunting camps, anywhere that I own will always have a Helix Midnight Lux in the bed that I sleep in. And last but not least, I got to give a huge shout out to Helix Sleep for partnering with me with this video. If you want the best mattress and you want the best sleep ever, head to helixsleep.com/Bluegabe for a special discount offer.